Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to the top right corner once you're logged on to your Roblox and then click on the gear icon. This is for settings, and then you're going to click on settings once again. Then when we're here, you're going to go over to privacy and content maturity, select content maturity, and then make sure you're on moderate. If you're not, just simply go over to moderate and click on it, and it's going to move according to where you click on it. So once you click on moderate, it's going to save automatically, and that's fine. You're going to click on account info, and then next you're going to make sure that your email address is verified, as you can see verified right here. And then after that's done, you're going to go over to add phone. Click on add phone, and you're going to put in your phone number right here. Once you put it in, you click on continue. A security code will be sent to your phone via SMS or WhatsApp. Then you're going to input that number here on Roblox on the next dialog box. The next page will ask you if you'd like friends to find you with your phone number, and then click on no if you don't want that, and then click on done. At the top, you can also see that your phone number has been verified, which is good, and we can click on done to proceed. The next thing we'll need to do is to go over to privacy and content maturity, then click on communication, and then you'll see voice chat option. You're going to click on it, and then turn on enable microphone. But if you don't see it, you can refresh the page or close it and open it again and come right here, and you should be able to see voice chat. If you don't see it, then it might be a geo restricted issue. However, you should be able to see it and you can toggle it on. Now, like we mentioned before, there are countries that are enabled for this feature. So if it's not working for you, then it means most likely that you're not in the country that Roblox allows to have voice chat. Remember to set your account on 13+. But if you don't have the option you're looking for, you might want to contact customer service on the help option right here and ask for more details about why you're not having it. So this is how you can get voice chat on Roblox.